If you're tired of spam submissions flooding your contact forms, this quick 3-minute tutorial is exactly what you need. I've tested the most popular methods and tools out there, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop contact form spam fast. Plus, I'll show you a free tool you can start using right away to protect your forms, exclusively available for viewers of this channel. Spam submissions aren't just annoying. They waste your time, clog your inbox, and can even expose your site to bots and security risks. So let's fix that. First, the easiest fix, enable a CAPTCHA. Most contact form builders let you add Google reCAPTCHA or HCAPTCHA with just a toggle. This alone blocks the majority of spam bots. Choose the invisible or checkbox version if you want to keep the user experience smooth. Next, install a honeypot field. This is a hidden field that users won't see, but bots will usually fill out, triggering an auto block. Many form plugins and builders have this built in, or let you enable it with a checkbox. No code needed. Then limit submissions by IP address. Some spammers use the same IP over and over. You can block or rate limit those using your form software settings or via your web host or security plugin. Add keyword filters. If you notice repeated spam keywords like crypto, escort, or strange URLs, set up a block list. Any submission containing those gets filtered out. Now, if you're using WordPress, Shopify, or even a custom HTML site, there's one software I highly recommend for this. It combines all of these features into one clean dashboard, and it auto-adjusts its spam filters based on the kind of spam you're getting. I'll link an exclusive free trial to this software in the description, only for viewers of Dan Thorne's channel. It's the exact tool I use across all my projects. Another tip, don't display your email address in plain text on your site. Use a contact form instead, or obfuscate your email so bots don't scrape it and spam you directly. And finally, regularly update your form plugins or software. Developers patch security holes all the time. Don't give spammers an easy way in just because of outdated tools. Here's your key takeaway. Stopping contact form spam doesn't require a complicated setup. It just takes a few smart tweaks and the right tools. To recap, enable CAPTCHA, add a honeypot field, block spam IPs, use keyword filters, and make sure your form tools are up to date. If you want to follow along and use the same all-in-one anti-spam software I use, check out the free trial link in the description. It's exclusive to this channel and will save you a lot of time and hassle. That's it. Simple, effective, and done in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next quick tutorial.